Okay, welcome back to our PSLE Science Open Questions Analysis. So firstly, you need to understand this table. It shows two persons, Adam and Benny, who are of the same age, recorded their breathing rate and heart rate at rest and during running in the table below. So you can see on the left-hand side, very clearly is at rest, this part. You can use your highlighter to circle this part is at rest. So at rest, breathing rate and heart rate is definitely lower than during vigorous exercise during running. So you see the values has increased from at rest to running. Okay, next, explain how exercise increase the breathing rate and heart rate of a person. So this tests the child's understanding of during exercise, more oxygen is needed and more digested food is also needed. So the heart needs to pump faster to deliver the oxygen and digested food to the cells of the person. At the same time, the waste product of carbon dioxide needs to be removed. So this is the part where most students have neglected, the removal of carbon dioxide from the body. So normally they will get half mark being deducted. So normally this question has been repeatedly being tested in both P5 Science, SA2, or the year of end examination, EOY, as well as almost every year's PSLE Science exam. So this is the complete answer for this question. I urge you to memorize it because it's very useful. So the answer will be during exercise, the breathing rate increases as the body takes in more oxygen. Okay. The heart rate increases as it pumps blood faster to transport more oxygen and digested food. So these two words, oxygen and digested food, must be included for what? To produce more energy. Okay. And also, they pump faster to remove more carbon dioxide from the body. So this is an answer that students are highly encouraged to memorize. So you need to talk about more oxygen, heart rate pump faster to transport more oxygen, and digested food. For what? Produce more energy and also remove more carbon dioxide from the blood. So each of this is half mark. So 0.5 times 4, you will arrive at to the 2-mark answer. Okay, next. It was found that when a child is infected with a virus K, the lungs will be filled with liquid. So it's good that you can highlight this part. Filled with liquid. Both the left lungs and the right lungs. Next, based on the heart rate given in table 1, is Adam or Benny infected with virus K? Explain your answer. So what is table 1? Table 1 is here, right? Yeah. So they say, which one is infected with the virus? Because you see, the infected child has a lesser lung capacity because this part is being filled with liquid. So in order to compensate, to have the same amount of oxygen, the infected child needs to take in more breaths per minute. Okay, so can you see here? Adam's breathing rate is always higher than Benny during at rest and also during running. So it concludes that Adam is an infected child. So this we call the systematic reasoning. So first of all, you must mention, okay, some schools use this acronym, the CER, okay, CER, which I like to explain to you how to apply this CER in this question. Okay, so C is the Adam conclusion. All right. They can conclude that Adam is the infected child. E is the evidence, right? Adam has a higher heart rate and breathing rate than Benny. And then R is the reasoning, the reason. Less oxygen is absorbed into the blood at the lungs. The heart pump faster to transport more oxygen to produce energy. Or you can say with liquid in the lungs, less oxygen. Okay, I prefer you use this part. With liquid in the lungs, okay, this is a better explanation. Let me erase this part. Okay, this is a more concise explanation. With liquid in the lungs, less oxygen can be taken into the lungs because the liquid occupies space. So the infected person in this situation is Adam. He has to breathe faster to take in more oxygen to produce energy. Okay, he has to breathe in faster to take in, maybe we say that to take in the same amount. Okay, to take in the same amount of oxygen as Benny, because both they are exercising, right? Yeah, to produce energy. So this is the explanation for this using the CER, because some schools they use this CER concept to help their students answer. Conclusion, evidence, and the reason. So once again, this question is a very good question. Total 4 marks in a PSLE prelim examination of St. Hildas 2024 exam. So this part, I highly encourage you to memorize and to commit for your memory for both for P5 and P6 student. So as I mentioned, for parents who need additional help, you can contact this coach here, former PSLE science coach, for more coaching for your child or your friend's child. So thank you. Stay safe. God bless. Cheers.